Goal with this activity is to really work on your lower body deceleration capabilities, loosen up the hips. Here's what you're gonna do. Get yourself an Aquabag, and you wanna grip the Aquabag with the handles that are going to be parallel to you. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna do reverse lunge into a cheek clean. So just so you can see the reverse lunge portion, what I'm gonna do is start with soft knees. Exhale, looking straight ahead. I'm gonna step back and down like that. Now you'll notice, folks, that the bag was kind of in the way. And so what I need to do is, as I do that, I'm going to cheek clean so I can make sure the bag is not hitting my thigh. So with the cheek clean portion, what you want to do is you're going to do a quick dip down, then you're going to step back into that reverse lunge. You want to toss the bag up, get underneath it just like so. You're going to use your legs to get it, all right? So when I combine the two, from the side, it's going to look like this. So I'm here, just like that. You want to stick it a little bit longer at the bottom. It's going to be a little unstable. Just like that. Got to do one more for that one, folks. There you go. Awesome. From the front, it's kind of the same song and dance. Just make sure your knees stay centered as you do it. So I'm here, got my feet pointing forward, soft knees, quick dip. Stick it. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.